Welcome back to the channel. The engine room oil spill contingency plan is crucial. While strict protocols minimize risk, the possibility of an oil spill within the machinery spaces requires a clear, rapid, and practiced response to prevent environmental damage, fire, and potential engine room flooding. The core objective of the plan is always containment, recovery, and reporting. The first critical step upon discovering a spill, regardless of its size, is alarm and communication. The duty engineer must immediately notify the officer of the watch or the chief engineer, specifying location, estimated size, and type of oil spilled. Immediate action is taken to stop the source of the leak, whether by shutting a valve, stopping a pump, or tightening a faulty flange. Simultaneously, the plan activates the containment phase. Every engine room must have readily accessible spill kits for emergencies. Personnel immediately deploy absorbent materials, such as pads, rolls, and granules, to limit the spread of the oil. For larger spills or spills near bilge wells, specialized oil booms are deployed to physically isolate the contaminated area and prevent the oil from spreading. The recovery phase involves carefully gathering the contained oil and contaminated materials. Absorbent materials are placed into designated leak-proof hazardous waste bags. Pumps specifically designated for oily bilge or oily waste transfer are used to pump pooled oil into the ship's oily residue or sludge tanks. It is paramount that the ship's main bilge pumps are never used for pure oil recovery, as this risks discharging oil overboard. Following recovery, the contaminated area is thoroughly cleaned using approved degreasers and cleaning agents. All cleaning materials must be treated as oily waste. The collected oily waste, including saturated rags and absorbents, must be correctly logged and disposed of in accordance with MARPOL regulations, typically discharged to shore facilities. The final and crucial step is mandatory reporting and documentation by the chief engineer. The chief engineer records all details in the oil record book, including the type of oil, extent of the spill, cause, actions taken for containment and recovery, and volume of recovered oil. If significant, authorities and port state control must be notified as per SOPEP. A thorough investigation into the root cause of the spill is then conducted to prevent recurrence. A well-drilled contingency plan is the ultimate protection against the hazards of an engine room oil spill. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.